In this video we're going to show you how you can apply payment to Invoice on the GuardsPro back-office dashboard. GuardsPro lets you record partial and full payments received in cash or via credit or debit cards, making it easier for you to keep track of payments made in installments. To record a payment in GuardsPro Invoicer, simply follow these steps. Click on the Invoicer from the main menu and select Invoices. For a particular invoice entry, click on the three-dot icon and select Record a Payment option. The next pop-up screen by default shows the total amount due for the invoice. To record a partial payment, you can edit the amount. Now select a payment method via which the payment was made and simply click on Submit. The status of the invoice changes to paid for a fully paid invoice, and for a partial payment, it shows a split of the total amount of the invoice and the amount due. You can follow the same procedure to record a payment of an invoice that was paid partially previously. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime.